Alright, so I'm getting my orders together. I need to cut this out. This is the Cowboys tray, and this is a Blazing Beauty Bling 10 storage. This is a free gift, and it comes with the Bling, what are they called? Blunt splitters. This is going to be a Detroit Lions tray, and this is an order for dew tubes. And I'm working on my lighters and more dew tubes. And then I also have like these are blinged. Let's see. I got a couple to go with the lighters. These are a couple that I'm done, so I'm just doing those. And then I have this one. Bad bitch get weed, and it's just blinged all around the. Alright, so I don't know how to turn my camera. So I got these little bins here. I'm about to start organizing. So these are the fortune cookies. These are so cute. And then I was looking in them, and they actually already have stuff. I could have made this myself, but whatever. They already got stuff written in there already. So that was cute. I got 2 of those. Oh, this is for tomorrow. And then I had to get some more of these because the dew tubes are still selling. I'm still getting orders. I got these little toothpicks to kind of place on the fortune cookies, and then I got another one, and then that's pretty much all I got. Nothing too major. And then I got some ashtrays came in, and this is my box of ashtrays. I think it's like 24 in here. And then my grinders. And there's some more right here. So I'm going to be putting these. I need to get rid of some of this stuff. And then I got my lighters already in here. In this little container here. And then I got some jars. But I don't know where I'm gonna put them at. Then I also got me some Sweet Bitch. This mango flavor, and then this is regular Moscato. I drank this one. But I like the mango better. I also got me some Stella Rose. I like Stella Rose too. The blackberry is really good. It's really good. But this is mango Sweet Bitch. It's pretty good. I'm just gonna open here. I don't feel like going in my little office space. I'm just. Oh yes. So these are the ashtrays, and they come with the plastic, which is really good and helpful for me because I can just put it right back on in there when I ship them off. So that's perfect because usually they just come like this. So this is a new vendor. I've ordered my glass ashtrays through them. So I decided to order more stuff from them, but I just got the regular ashtrays this time, the glass ones. Now that I have my heat gun, I should order some more because it'll be easier to get the air bubbles out of there. I was having trouble, but it worked out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, I'm going to need a bigger container for my ashtrays. That's not going to work. 9. 14. Okay, so I ordered 20. Oh, and then they gave me a pen. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to find a different way to find another way, or find another bin, a big enough bin to hold my ashtrays in. And I know my jars are not gonna fit in here, but I know my grinders would. So that works. And then I try to keep them like based off the colors. Y'all see my son's pillow. So there's stuff everywhere. Like, I just cannot wait to get the fuck up out of here. Okay, so black, red, and then I got green. And then it's just another bender that I went through. I don't like them. So I don't know why I do like that. And then I got red left. Okay, so I have reds. And I like to keep these little things it comes in. So I'm just going to place all those at the bottom. Alright, so I got the black, the red. I have a lot of pink left. And then I have green. So those are going to be pretty much the ones that I promote, is those colors. And let me get rid of those boxes. So I'm just going to be, these were $1, so I'm just going to be stacking up on these little containers. And then what's so cool about them, it has the little things on the side. Just boom. And this one does too. That's why I like these type of little containers. This one, I don't know what I'm going to put in here, but I'll figure it out.